Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. Y buenas tardes, good evening. So in today's video, I am going to tell you all best and top 5 Netflix Spanish series that you must watch to learn Spanish language frequently, and if you want to improve your skills, the fluency, you want to watch Spanish series also. So here I'm going to tell you all 5 best Spanish Netflix series that you must watch. Let's get started. First series name will be Money Heist. In Spanish we call that La Casa de Papel. La Casa de Papel. Okay, the Money Heist is a series which is of drama and thriller, and it has 4 seasons. I guess the 5th one is coming up, so yeah, coming soon. And the plot of this series is that there is a story of a group of robbers and who wants to carry out the perfect robbery. For that they plan to assault the Spanish Mint, which is located in Madrid en Español, in Spanish, the capital of Spain. Okay, a man who called himself the Professor is the creator of this group of robbers. Also, at last, what you will get to learn by watching this series, you will get to learn different vocabulary also, and also there will be so many verbs and tenses also, so that is the basic part that you will get to learn. Also, you will get to learn a lot of slangs that we use in Spanish language, and a lot of new words which is related to crime also, the robbery also, and so on. So you must watch Money Heist, La Casa de Papel. Second is the one that I love, Narcos. Okay, the second name of the series is Narcos, which is drama and crime series. It has 3 seasons till now. Narcos series is a series of like drama and crime and thriller also, and it has 3 seasons till now. And it is the story that is based on drug kingpin Pablo Escobar, who became a billionaire through the production and the distribution of the cocaine. By watching this series, you will get to learn the formal and informal language of, like in Spanish I'm talking about. There will be formal words and informal words. How, like in Money Heist, in this Narcos also, there will be a lot of slangs that we use, and the language you will get to learn, the language that the people used to speak in 1970s. But because it is about Pablo Escobar. Okay, so you must watch if you want to learn Spanish language. Third one will be Elite. The name of the series is Elite, E-L-I-T-E, Elite. This show is also drama, thriller, and suspense also. There will be suspense also, thriller also, and drama also in this series, and you must watch. This show is about 3 middle-class teenagers who has given the scholarships to study in the most prestigious school in Spain. The confrontation between them and the elite students will lead them to the murder, and they will find the answers about it. So you must watch, it's a very good one. Besides learning normal vocabulary that we use on daily basis, you will get to learn the new words and vocabulary and sentences that we use related to school and the colleges. Fourth one will be Locked Up. In Spanish, we call that Vis a Vis. Okay, this is also a drama thriller series, but also crime series. So the plot of the series is about the woman who breaks the law for the boss whom she fell in love with. She is accused of several crimes and also is imprisoned. This story mainly follows her during the time in prison, so that you must watch, and by watching this series you will get to learn the vocabulary that is related to crime and the prison also and the laws also. So you will get to know new words. The language in this series is formal and informal as well. Okay, and also you will get to learn a lot of slangs also, get the new words, vocabulary related to prison, crime and laws also. So that you must watch, you will get to learn new stuff a lot. Last but not the least, Cable Girls, The Cable Girls. There will be drama in the series, comedy, mystery and romance. So this series takes place in Madrid in 1920s. It tells the story of the 4 women who starts working in the very important phone company in the specific country. And also by watching this series you will be learning the very formal language. Besides that, also you will be learning about the culture and about the society in Spain at the time of 1920s. So you must watch The Cable Girls. So that was it for today. As we have discussed about the top most Spanish Netflix series that you must watch to learn Spanish language, and also tell me that did you like it or not, and how was it helpful or not. And stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. Hasta pronto. Adios.